how to redeem PayPal gift card. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Visnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can easily redeem the PayPal gift card. Now the process is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. In order to redeem your PayPal gift card, you can simply open up your PayPal application and make sure you're logged into your account. Now once you're logged in, what you want to do is now it's asking me for security here. At the bottom you'll see home option, payment option and wallet option. You want to simply tap on the wallet option at the bottom right corner of your screen, and then you can see cards option. Beside cards you'll find the option plus icon there. You can see, simply tap on it. Once you tap on it, it'll ask you to choose an option that says bank accounts or debit and credit cards. You want to select the option that says debit and credit cards, and there what you want to do is you want to tap on enter your card information, and now you want to enter in your gift card number here and expiry date and the CVV code and your billing address there, and simply tap on link card. Like, you want to enter in your gift card details like you normally enter in your credit or debit card details, and simply tap on link and it'll get added to your PayPal. So this way you can redeem your PayPal gift card. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.